NYPD Highway Patrol, you are being recorded. You're doing 71 and a 50. License and registration, please. See your license and registration, please. Stop the car! Just stop the car! Stop the car! Just stop the car!
Down and clear.
I'm trying to stop a vehicle. He just rear-ended me. I'm eastbound on the belt, approaching Bay 8th, and he's refusing to stop. I need somebody who's east of Bay Parkway. We passed Bay Parkway. We're approaching Cropsey. We're approaching Cropsey. We're approaching Cropsey. 2081 Central. I'm trying to put something over Central. We're approaching Cropsey. I'm eastbound Central. Now he's trying to run on foot. Get out of the car! Block him in! Block him in! Block him in! It's him! Don't do it! Don't do it!
Alright, he's going down the floor on the Bell Parkway crossing and talking that with the firearm at the time. Shots fired at this time is shots fired. With Bell Parkway crossing it. Copy that. I boy, you want a perp. So you want a perp, eh? Copy that. 10-4. Your location across there, Bell Parkway.
Block him in! Block him in! Block
Shots fired!
Shots fired, Central, shots fired! Get in the car! Get in the